So let's look at 2016 paper 2, a question. Can you be right? On angles and polygons. So it says the angles of a quadrilateral are 3y degrees, 2y plus 10 o degrees, then 4y degrees and dy degrees. Are we together? Yes. Then the question is saying, find the value of y. They want us to find the value of what? Y. Okay. So since we have been given the interior angles of a quadrilateral, you know a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Aye. Yes. A quadrilateral is a polygon which has how many sides? 4 sides. So what it means is these 4, 3y degrees, 2y plus 10 degrees, then 4y and y. These are the interior angles of a quadrilateral. So let's say this is our quadrilateral. Let me just come up with any quadrilateral. Are we together? Yes. So let's say this is what they're saying, 2y plus 10. Okay? Then let's say this is 4 what? 4y. And then let's say this is y. Then we can say this is what? 3 what? 3y. Okay? And then they are saying find the value of what? Y. Now we know that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral are what? 360. Okay? Where do we get the 360 from? Where do we get the 360 from? We know that sum, let me take you back to polygon line. Sum of interior angles is equal to number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So now, where this n represents the number of sides. Aye. So sum is equal to how many sides are this polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, right? So we're going to say 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, right? Then you say sum is equal to 4 minus 2 get what? You get 2 times what? 180. So sum is equal to 2 times 180. This is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. So this is the 360 I was talking about, right? So now what to do is, since we have the value of y and we have these size of interior angles, we are going to add these, then equate them to what? 360. That's the meaning. Okay? So you say this angle which is 2y plus 10 plus 3y plus 4y plus y is equal to the sum of interior angles. Are we together? So now you can write like terms and say we have 2y plus 3y plus 4y plus y, then plus what? Plus 10 is equal to what is the sum? 360. 300 what? 60. Yes. Are we together? Yes. Is it okay? Yes. Then add now 2y plus 3y, 5y, 5y plus 4y, 9y plus y. You're going to have 10y plus what? 10 equals what? 360. So we're now going to go to like them line. By saying we are going to remain with 3y, this side is equal to 360. When you transpose, this is what? When you transpose becomes what? Negative what? 10. So 10y is equal to 360 minus 10. You get 3 what? 50. So for us to remain with y, divide both sides by 10, this side by 10. Realize these two are going to be going. Yes. So y is equal to this 0 and this 0 can go in. Yes. 1 into 35 you get what? 35 degrees as the value of what? Y. Let's look at this other question. Okay? So this question is saying what? Can you write? In the diagram below, A or B is a straight line. A or B, this one, you see? A or B is a what? Straight line. Are we together? Then angle BOD, where is B? BOD, it's 143, this one, right? It's 143. Are we together, guys? Then angle AOC, where is A? Where is A, guys? AOC. AOC, this angle. This angle is what, guys? 50, 57. Are we together? And angle BOE. This one's supposed to be E, sorry. I. BOE is 90 degrees. When they say BOE is right angle, so meaning it's what? 90 degrees. That's the meaning, okay? So we have 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Are we together, guys? Okay?
Yes.
Then the question is saying, find the sum of A and B. Find the sum of A and what? B. So when they say sum of A and B, remember the sum. Sum means what? The answer we get after adding. 1 plus 2 is, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. This 3 is called the what? The sum. Sum. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is the sum. The answer we get after adding. So in this case, they want us to add angle A and angle B. Are we together? So we cannot add what we don't have. Right? So we need first to find angle A and angle what? B. Then we add them. That's the sum. Are we together, guys? So let's find angle A. Okay? Let's find what? Angle A. Now finding angle A is very simple, guys. Okay? Finding angle A is very, very what? Simple. Because we know that we have this line, take note, this line. We have this line, then we have this other line here. Okay? This other line, like this. Are we together? This is 90 degrees. Are we together? So what is this other angle here? It's also what? 90 degrees. Are we together? Is it fine? Now out of 90 degrees, I'm saying if this is 90, this one also becomes what? 90. Are we together? So this other angle this side, I'm talking about this, okay? This other angle this side, it is what? It's 90. Now out of 90 guys, we have 50 what? 57. So we can easily find this angle. What I'm saying is this is 90. But out of 90, we have what? 57. And you can find this angle, which is angle what? A. Are we together, guys? So finding A, I'm going to say A. When we answer it from this side, A is equal to, this is 90. This is what? 90. It's what? This one is 90. Are we together? It's supposed to be 90. Even this one is what? It's also what? 90. Are we together? So 90 plus 90, you get what? 180, which is angles formed on a straight line. So if this is 90, okay, out of 90 you have got what? 57. Okay? So we say 90 degrees minus what? 57. How together? So we can say A is equal to, say 90 minus 50. Can we subtract? 0 minus 7 can get 1. So it becomes 8. Right? This one becomes 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 5, get what? 3. So 8 is 83. So let's now find what? B. This is B. Right? So we know that angles formed on a straight line add up to what? 180. Okay, you can bear with me, say A of B is a straight line, and you have been told A of B is a straight what? Line. So we have this line. Which is what? So we have A, O, we have what? B. And guys, we know that angles formed on a straight line add up to what? 180. Are we together? But out of 180, we have what? What we have out of 180, we have what? We have 140. 140. You can easily find this angle is behind. So finding B, I'm going to say B is equal to 180 minus 140, 143. Are we together, guys? So 0 minus 3 can get 1. You're going to go with what? 7. Then you're going to put this one, it becomes 9. So 10 minus 3 you get what? 7. Then 7 minus 4 get what? So you have 30 what? 37. So now finding the sum. Remember they said find the sum of A and B. So just add angle A. So we say sum is equal to A plus what? B. So what is our A? 37 plus what? 30. 33. We can add design. 3 plus 7, you get 10. So 0 carry 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1. So the answer is 70 degrees. That's the answer. That's the sum. That's the sum. Are we together? So we can quickly look at the last question, which is 2019, paper 1. It said, in the figure below, BF, this BF bisects angle ABD. Where is ABD? Okay? ABD. Okay? So BF, this line bisects this angle ABD. Okay, are we together? So when you say this line, a certain line bisects an angle, I'll give an example. Pertaining to construction. Let's say you have a situation like this. Let's say you have a situation like what? Like this. Okay? Are we together, guys? You have a situation like this, construction. Let's say this is A, B, this is what? C. Okay? So you know how to bisect. So you just open, I think this is my compass. Okay, this is what? My compass. Are we together? If this is my compass. Okay? I'm going to just open my compass at any radius. So I'm going to strike, I'm going to put, since let's say I'm bisecting, I'm bisecting, I want to bisect angle ABC. Okay, remember guys, I want to bisect this angle, which is angle what? B. Just open your compass at any reasonable radius sign. Then you're going to do what? Strike an arc, remember? Yes. Strike an arc here. Then you put this point at this point, then strike an arc like this, remember? You also put strike what? An arc. Are we together? Then you come up with what? A straight line. So meaning you've bisected line. You've bisected what? Angle ABC. Meaning, in this case, what it means, if you bisect angle ABC, it simply means this angle, are we together? Look at this angle, guys. Let's say this angle is what? X. Right? This angle is what? Y. It simply means X and Y are equal. This angle is like you divided the angle into two equal angles, right? Small angles. Are we together? That's the meaning. So what we mean is, if they say this BF bisects this angle, this angle, okay, this angle simply means this angle has been divided into two equal angles, right? So meaning this and this are equal. Are we together? This and this are what? Are equal. That's the meaning. Okay? That's it. That's the meaning. That's it. That's the meaning. These two are what? These two are equal. Is it okay, guys? So now, how are we going to find this angle? How are we going to find this angle? So this we know that angle is formed on this one is a straight line. ABC, it's a straight line. Are we together? Yes. ABC, it's a what? Straight line. Angles formed on a straight line add up to 180. Are we together? Yes. Angles formed on a straight line up to what? 180. So we are saying these two are equal. Yes. So if this is x, this one is also what? X. You can find x sign and say x plus x, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, which is 50, is equal to what? 180. Angles formed on a straight line. Right? So x plus x, you get 2x plus 50 equals 180. So what are you going to do? So 2x is equal to 180. When transpose, are going to have minus what? Minus 50 degrees. Is it okay? So 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. You get what? 180 degrees. So for us to remain with x, divide both sides by 2. This side by 2. These are going to go. X is equal to 2 into 13 is what? It's 6 remainder 1. So it becomes 9. 2 into 10 is what? 5. So I've got 65 here. This angle is 65. Are we together? This angle is also what? 65. Are we together? Yes. Are we moving together, guys? Yes. Are we moving together? So the question is, so this is 5. Now if this is 65, take note. These two lines are what? Parallel. The two lines are what? Parallel. Hence the alternate angles are going to be what? Equal. So this angle, and this angle are alternate. If this is 65, so it becomes what? 65. Are we together, guys? Yes. Are we together, guys? Yes. So then if we're being asked, let's say, okay, so angle, let's say the first angle would say, find angle ABD. What is A? ABD, it's what? ABD. You see? ABD. What is the answer? ABD. Hey, look at one. ABD. So just say, are you know? So ABD, just say 65 plus 65. So ABD, you say, is equal to 65 plus 65. What do you get?
130.
You get 130. 130. This is the answer. Okay? This is the answer. A, B, D. They're talking about this angle. Right? This is the angle they want. Okay? So A, B, D becomes 65 plus 3 is what? You get 130. 130. What about if we were being asked to find this angle? This angle. It's a BDE. How do you find BDE? So BDE. This angle, what are you supposed to do? Angles form on a straight line. Just say 180 degrees minus what? 65. What do you get? 180 minus 65. What do you want? So 0 minus 5, you get 1. From this one, we have this one, right? Yes. Then, what is 8 minus 5 get what? Then what is 6 minus 7, 7 minus 6 is what? You get what? You get 1. Then you have this one, right? So what are you going to have? It's okay, 150, 159. So this one becomes 150. That is if we were being asked to find, let's say, this angle BDE. Just say, since it's 65 and these two add up to 180, just say 180 minus 65, get this angle is okay? So let's now proceed to the next question.